Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a very beautiful earring piece, a very beautiful crochet piece. And what we'll be needing to make this piece is just a crochet hook, a yarn, then we need this kind of earring. Yes, we need this kind of pin stud earring. We need it for our crochet this thing. So we're gonna get started right away. So let's get started. This is actually a very beautiful sunflower crochet earring that we'll be making. This earring is a very beautiful piece that is mostly worn by young ladies, and it is actually very beautiful. So in 10 minutes I'm going to teach you in detail how to make a sunflower earring. This sunflower earring can be made by anybody. Even though you are not an expert crochet artist, you can also make it. So let's start. This is me making the first circle, and I did a straight chain of 4, and I took it inside the circle, and I did this basic crochet pattern. I just do it. So this particular thing that was done here, I'm going to repeat the same process for about 15 times. Yes, so this is me showing you how much detail I intend to show you on this video. This can be made by anybody. Even a beginner crochet artist can make this with any color of thread, and trust me, it is actually very beautiful. Can be worn with corporate outfit, can be worn with native attire, can be worn with casual wear. It actually beautifies the face even more. It brings out the beauty of the face. You know, earring actually beautify the face even more. So crochet earring, especially this particular sunflower crochet earring, it's actually a very beautiful adornment for women and ladies. So this was me still trying to make the normal crochet inside the same hole, while I try to draw the rope so that it will cover, because I don't intend for any hole to remain. So as I'm making it, I'm still trying to draw the rope at the other end to make it become very smaller. So I'm going to make 15 normal crochet inside the same hole till it goes round. So this is me making them. I'm actually making use of a normal local yarn. Yeah, this is how it's going to look like. First, it's going to first of all start like a circle before we begin to form the sunflower. I think this is like the number 11th chain I'm making in the same hole to make it perfect for my earring. Just trying to arrange my thread. You know, this local yarn sometimes gets tangled. I'm just trying to arrange it, and I'm actually using double strand of the local yarn because it is not thick. But if you have a thick yarn, you don't need to use double strand. You can use just one strand of a very thick yeye wool, and it will go well for you. So I think this is like number 13th time I'm making the same thing to fit in the number 15, and this is it. I'm trying to join the two sides together. As you can see, I just took it once. Instead of carrying thread, I just took it once to join the two sides together. And my circle is formed, perfectly formed. As you can see in the video, the circle is perfectly formed. So I'm going to make straight chain 4 to start making my sunflower. And I'm going to choke it in the exact hole I made the straight chain for 3 times. This is the second time because the straight chain is forming the number 1, and this is the 3rd time. And I'm going to skip 3 lines, 1 2 3, then put it and just do a normal slip stitch. Slip stitch is just you can say I will count 3, put my knitting pin, then carry my thread, then weave. As you can see, it has already formed 1 of it. Then I'm going to do 4 straight chains again. Then I'm going to insert it in the first hole 3 times, plus the time we did the straight chain, which is the number 3 times. So one more time makes it 3, and after this I'm also going to count 3, 1, 2, 3, then insert it and make a slip stitch at the third chain. As you can see, it is already forming. And this I'm going to continue this process till I get to the end of my sunflower. Once I get to the end of my sunflower, I'm just going to do a slip stitch to the end. I actually decided to make my circle 15 normal crochet because I want my sunflower to be 5. That's why I'm making 3 in one hole and skipping 3, so that when I do 15 divided by 3, I'm going to get 5 of it. So it's just math calculation. You can make yours more bigger than this. It just depends on how you want it to be. You can make it 20, you can make it 25, but I decided to use 15 because I just wanted the earring to be very, very moderate. I don't want it too big, I don't want it too small. I just want it to be very, very on point, very moderate, very pretty, very accurate, very beautiful, very classic, and very, very demure. So 1, 2, 3, and insert it. This is like the 4th sunflower before we do the final sunflower, which will make it the 5th and the perfect number for my 15 normal chain double crochet that I did. So still me doing my normal 4 stitch chain, then I will do 3 double crochet in one hole. That's 2, then 3. After counting 3, because it was already calculated, my last hole will be at the beginning of the 1st straight chain, which makes it the end of it. Then I'll check in. Then this is it. 5 very beautiful sunflower, 5 very beautiful sunflower. And this is the point I will have to cut my rope and tie. I'm going to cut my rope and tie together, and look at it, the two have been made. They are still very rough because I have not cut the rope, so I'm going to ensure I tie first, because one thing with crochet, you have to tie, because if you don't tie, it gets loose because it is made of yarn and it follows the same pattern. So you make sure you tie before you cut your yarn. So this is the process whereby I tie all of the rope before using my scissors to cut it, to trim it to fit. Still trying to tie and cut, trying to tie and cut. Like I said, anybody can make this earring. You must not be a crochet artist. You can just make it for yourself. You can just make this beautiful piece for yourself, for your child, for your sister, for birthday gift. This is a very, very beautiful piece. I actually chose milk because I love milk color. You can make yours with red, you can make yours with any color. You can freestyle. In fact, you can use another earring apart from the normal stored earring. And this is where we are going to make use of this earring. I'm just going to insert it at the center and pin it to the back with the hook. So it is actually attached to it with the hook, as you can see. So if I want to insert it inside my ear, I will have to just put the stored inside the flower directly to the hole in my ear and attach the hook to it, and it will sit very, very pretty. Like I said, anybody can try this. I want you to make an attempt, make this beautiful piece. I want you to drop your comment and share this to your loved ones. You want them to make beautiful earring and beautiful crocheted sunflower earring, you can share this to them. You can download to watch and learn. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in to my channel. I really, really, really appreciate your time. Trust me, you can make this beautiful piece by yourself. You can make it by yourself. In less than 11 minutes we are done with this beautiful earring. We are done with this beautiful earring. You can also use 30 minutes for it. It just depends on your speed and level of assimilation. You're gonna love this earring. Like I said, thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and leave a very positive comment down. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.